Landing pages are great for persuading your visitors to take action. So it's not enough to just design something good, you have to do it better. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about e-commerce landing pages. There's a lot to cover as we'll be talking about different page types with examples, the psychology behind various elements, and some teardowns of some of the amazing brands that are really thinking one step ahead. Let's do this. E-commerce pages are web pages that are specifically designed for driving sales. They're the foundation of any e-commerce website and serve as the gateway for visitors to browse, select, and purchase products. Let's look at some of the key pages one by one. A product listing page is a web page on an e-commerce website that displays a lot of products for sale. Typically, a product listing page is used as a gateway to help customers browse and find products of interest, and often includes filtering options and sorting options to help refine search results. Let's check this example. Let's say you're looking to buy a PS5 console. You go to a popular e-commerce website and navigate to the gaming category and click PS5 consoles. You're then presented with a product listing page that displays a list of PS5 consoles available for purchase. But let's compare this with Apple's product listing page for the iPhone. The page is minimalistic in design and features high-quality images and descriptions that convey the premium nature of Apple's brand. Here is what's different. Clear categorization. Apple's product listing page is well organized, with each category of iPhone listed clearly and concisely. Product thumbnails. Each product is represented by high-quality thumbnail images along with its name and starting price. Featured accessories. This section highlights a selection of complementary products and services that are relevant to the iPhone. Cross-sell opportunities. The page also showcases complementary cloud services that may be of interest to iPhone buyers. Which iPhone is right for you? Notice how cleverly Apple chooses only 4 of its models. The decision might be driven by several factors, for example, the desire to simplify the purchasing decision and highlight the most popular or best-selling models. By limiting the number of models included in the comparison, Apple can help to reduce choice overload, a psychological phenomenon in which too many options can lead to indecision, anxiety, and dissatisfaction with the eventual choice. By just focusing on 4 most popular or best-selling models, Apple can create a sense of exclusivity and desirability, as customers may feel that these are the products or models that are most desirable and high quality. In contrast, a typical e-commerce product listing page may include a wider range of products and filtering options, with a more utilitarian design that prioritizes functionality over aesthetics. This approach may be more effective for customers who are looking for a wide range of options and are less concerned with the brand or design of the e-commerce website. Overall, Apple's product listing page is unique and designed with the brand's minimalistic aesthetic in mind and is optimized for ease and use and overall conversion. The focus is on providing customers with a streamlined, hassle-free browsing experience that highlights the quality and design of Apple's products. In both these cases, the design of the product listing page can influence the perception of the brand and the products being offered, as well as the decision-making process by the customer. So, by understanding the psychology of your target audience, you can design product listing pages that are optimized for conversions, satisfaction, and loyalty, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue. In both cases, the design of the product listing page can influence the perception of the brand and the products being offered, as well as the decision-making process of the customer. By understanding the psychology of your target audience, you can design product listing pages that are optimized for conversions, satisfaction, and loyalty, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue. A product details page provides comprehensive and detailed information about a specific product, typically a single item available for purchase. A PDP page or a product details page usually includes the product's name, description, features, specifications, pricing, images, and other relevant information that customers may want to know before they make a decision. It may also include customer reviews and ratings, as well as related or recommended products. The primary goal of a PDP is to provide customers with enough information about the product to make an informed purchase decision. A well-designed PDP can also help to build trust with the product as well as the e-commerce store. The PDP also includes a prominent call to action button, such as add to cart or buy now, to encourage customers to make a purchase decision. Let's look at some examples. The first one is from Bang & Olufsen. The first thing you will notice, it's highly optimized to fit a laptop screen. I was checking the screen from my laptop and I can see all the major elements like the price, choice of colors, the buy button, and the strong offers like free delivery, 30-day free trial, and the 3-year warranty all fit in one screen. And then there's so many other clever bits on this page. Take a look at this offer where they're offering a physical bag with every purchase. So it says, for a limited time, receive a complimentary Bang & Olufsen tote bag with every online purchase. The promotional offer speaks to the psychological principle of scarcity. Scarcity is the idea that people tend to place more value on things that are rare or in limited supply. By emphasizing the offer is only available for a limited time, B&O is creating a sense of urgency among customers to take advantage of this offer before it expires. It's only when you check out the actual product that you get a real sense of the bag and its price. Also, the moment you add the product to the cart, a countdown timer kicks in to show you the time remaining to check out for getting it shipped for the day. This shows up in a very clever sticky footer. The page also looks great, but it's also very functional. The page shows numerous product features through lifestyle shots, animations, videos, and towards the bottom of the page you can expand the accordion to reveal more technical details. And finally, the page also features a full comparison. One thing worth noting is that after adding a product to your basket, it will immediately display your basket in a pop-up window. I find this user experience very intuitive as it provides immediate feedback. Let's take this another example from a subscription product of Four Sigmatic. Let's tear it down. First we have the hero section, followed by the benefits section 1, 2, and 3, and that's followed by a strong social proof section. Then it has a section on ingredients used, media mentions, frequently asked questions, money back guarantee, reviews and questions, and finally a cross-selling product. Needless to say, there's so much going on, but I like the fact that they focus heavily on their product details page, as chances are most visitors are directly landing onto this page from their paid campaigns. So the page has to be persuasive and convincing to drive sales. Let's look at some conversion elements driving subscriptions. The announcement banner at the top. Although the Shop Now button doesn't do anything, it still stands out. I feel still this is a missed opportunity. And once you scroll to past the hero section, you will notice there's a sticky header which has the logo, call to action, and the subscription toggle switch. This is all very clever stuff. And finally, there's another offer to get 10% off on joining the WhatsApp group. So far, we have looked at pages that are part of the website, but there's another set of pages called landing pages, which may or may not feature the product, and these are designed for a specific campaign, and their main focus is driving action. If your end goal is to build a list, then lead capture pages are ideal to create a database of potential customers who have expressed interest in the brand. This list can then be used for future marketing efforts, such as email campaigns or retargeting ads, in order to drive conversions and sales. Here are a few examples of lead capture pages. Newsletter sign up. Newsletter sign up pages are designed to capture the contact information of potential customers who are interested in receiving updates, promotions, or other marketing messages from the brand. These pages typically include a simple form that asks the user for a name and email and may offer a discount or other incentive in exchange for signing up. A quiz landing page. Quizzes are an effective way to engage and educate potential customers about a brand's products, while also making them feel that they're giving something specifically for them. Quizzes can be used for both top of the funnel and mid to bottom of the funnel traffic, but the quiz style and content should be tailored accordingly. Quizzes can also be used to capture leads by asking for email address in exchange for showing the quick quiz results. But it's also important to A/B test whether this approach is effective. Quizzes take time to build and require testing to ensure they resonate with the target audience and ultimately drive sales. Advertorials. Advertorials are a type of landing page that takes the form of an article or a listicle and aims to lead people to a product or offer through links and a call to action. They aim to sell a product without directly selling it and can be quite text heavy. The topic of an advertorial needs to incite curiosity and be closely tied to the product being sold. Advertorials are effective for products that require education or have lots of questions from customers. Different formats work best for different brands and can include actual articles or blog posts or snappy listicles. A product landing page is a type of a landing page designed to inform and educate users about a specific product. The goal of a product landing page is to provide all the necessary information about the product, including its features, benefits, specifications, and images. These pages are typically used in marketing campaigns to attract potential customers and provide a focused and streamlined purchasing experience. A product landing page can be an effective way to build interest and engagement with the product, as well as to generate leads and sales. By providing a clear and concise overview of the product, a product landing page can help potential customers make informed decisions and ultimately lead to more conversions. The typical call to action on a product landing page is usually focused on encouraging the user to take actions related to the product, such as learn more, view features, get started, sign up, or try for free. These CTAs are designed to encourage the users to engage with the product and to move them further along in the sales funnel. Product sales pages. Product sales pages features the product and is usually part of the sales funnel with one-time offer, upsell, and cross-sell offers. The focus is to drive sales. They focus on persuading the user to make a purchase, typically through the user purchase to copy, images, and design elements. Product sales pages often have a clear call to action, such as buy now, add to cart, or order today, and are designed to make the purchasing process as easy and straightforward as possible. These pages typically provide a detailed description of the product, highlight its benefits and features, and address any potential objections or concerns that the user might have. Product sales pages can be used as part of a marketing campaign to drive sales and conversions, and are often used along with other marketing channels such as email, social media, and paid advertising. You might be wondering, why can't a simple product landing page have a buy now button? Well, you're correct. The buy now button is a more common call to action on a product sales page as opposed to a product landing page. However, depending on the marketing goals of the page, a buy now CTA could also be used on a product landing page if the page is designed to convert visitors directly into buyers. In general, a product landing page is designed to provide information and educate users about the product, while a product sales page is designed to persuade users to make a purchase. However, there can be an overlap between the two types of pages, and the specific CTAs used will depend on the marketing strategy and goals for the page. Let's take a look at some product landing pages. So this one is for Maserati. The product landing page does quite a few things. It starts by educating and increasing product desire, talks about the tech spec and all the features. But I really like this interactive element where you can hold the space bar and hear the engine sound when the car goes from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. With this all jam-packed bits of information, the brand still has various call to action spread across the page. For example, you can view all the different trims, view all the colors, and view the tech spec, and also have links to the high intent CTAs like book a test drive or get a quote, or the link up to the configurator and find dealerships. In comparison, let's check out the product sales page from Apple. So on this page, the design is amazing. The page is visually appealing and features high quality images and videos that showcase the product from different angles. The page also highlights the key benefits and features of the product, such as high fidelity audio, active noise cancellation, and the ability to switch seamlessly between devices. The page clearly displays the price of the product, which is positioned as a premium offering to the market. And the call to action, well, it's simply buy now, and is placed across the page in the top sticky header. And there are secondary call to actions such as tech spec and compare. These call to actions are strategically placed throughout the page to guide the user towards the desired action. Overall, the Apple AirPods Max product sales page uses a combination of persuasive elements to showcase the product and encourage users to make a purchase. Let's summarize the different landing pages which we just discussed. So for an e-commerce lead generation landing page, you would be looking at a goal of capturing contact information of potential leads. They're ideal for a cool audience, and you can place them at top of the funnel. If you don't understand what top of the funnel or middle of the funnel or bottom of the funnel means, please check out my other video in which I go about these different stages in a lot of detail. So for a product landing page, you would be targeting warm audience with the product landing page and introducing your product to a potential customer. So you'll be looking at the middle of the funnel stage here. And for a product sales page, you will be targeting a warmer audience and trying to convince them to purchase. And the stage which you will be using this page would be in bottom of the funnel. And finally, for a product detail page, that is typically for a hotter audience, and you will obviously provide a detailed information about the product and would be using it in the bottom of the funnel. How to build your e-commerce landing page? Well, the answer is it depends. It depends on your goal and what tech stack are you currently using, and also the goal of the landing page. Let's look at them one by one. For a lead generation landing page, I would recommend using a tool like Unbounce, Lead Pages, or Instapage. But for driving sales, there are quite a few options. So if you're using WordPress, then I would recommend using WooCommerce for your product listing and details page. If you're using Shopify, then obviously Shopify has its own collection method and Shopify product, which is their product details page. But if you want a product landing page within WordPress, you could use a builder like Elementor or Beaver Builder. For Shopify, you can use Shogun or Zipify pages. And for product sales page, you can use a plugin called Thrivecart, and it will help you to build sales pages with checkouts. For Shopify, you can stick with Shogun or Zipify. However, if you want to keep your product landing page or sales page separate, I would suggest using tools like Unbounce, Samcart, Thrivecart, etc. These tools have a lot more functionality and offer granular control. And for a product sales page, you can check out these tools, and let's look at them separately. So for a product landing page, you can use tools like Unbounce, Lead Pages, Instapage, ClickFunnels, Wishpond, GetResponse, Zoho Pages. There's quite a few options here. For a product sales page, you can use tools like Catra, Samcart, Thrivecart, ClickFunnels, because they allow you to have upsell offers and one-time offers. They're pretty cool. Also, if you're thinking of converting your product in a subscription model and want to charge recurring payments, there are options here too. For WordPress, you can look at WooCommerce subscriptions or Yith WooCommerce subscription, Subscriptio, or in Shopify, you can look at Recharge, Bold subscriptions, Payroll, recurring payments, and ChargeRabbit. Do you use Shopify? If yes, then watch this part and learn how you can use Shopify buttons on your landing page builders. Shopify supports buy buttons that allow merchants to embed buy buttons directly into any web page. The coolest feature of Shopify buttons is that it uses the same secure checkout process as the main Shopify platform, which helps ensure that customer data is protected. You can easily create and embed Shopify buttons. First, you need to create a buy button in your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Products, Buy Buttons, and then click the Create a Buy Button button. Choose the product or collection you want to sell, and then customize the button design and settings as desired. Next, copy the embed code for your buy button. To do this, click the Generate Code button in the Buy Button editor, and then select the Copy Code option. If you're using Unbounce, then in your Unbounce landing page, drag and drop the custom HTML element onto the page where you want the button to appear. Paste the embed code for your buy button into the custom HTML element, and that's it. Your Shopify button is now configured and embedded in your Unbounce landing page. You can test it out by previewing your landing page and clicking the buy button. Conversion KPIs to track. As expected, the overall goal of an e-commerce campaign is to drive sales. However, each page in the funnel has its own KPI and metrics that you should track to understand areas for improvement. But here are some of the common KPIs to track for each page in the funnel. Engagement rate. Engagement rate is a powerful metric giving you an understanding of your user experience and how it can be improved. You can use Google Analytics 4 to analyze this metric. Scroll depth. Scroll depth tracks how far visitors scroll down your page. If your call to action is at the bottom of the page, tracking scroll depth can actually help you give an idea of whether the visitors are seeing it. You can track scroll depth using tools like Hotjar, Crazy Egg, Microsoft Clarity. I have a separate YouTube video on heat map tracking. You can check out this video in the description below. Click-through rate. This measures the percentage of visitors who click on your call to action and move to the next page. Click-through rate provides a really good insight into how effective the page is at getting visitors to take action. Specifically, it measures the percentage of visitors who click through to another page on the site, such as product details page or checkout page. Conversion rate. Conversion rate tracks the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase. This is the ultimate KPI for product landing pages, as it measures the success of the page in driving revenue. So these were some of the top level KPIs that I would recommend tracking across your site. Let's look at some of the page specific metrics. So for lead generation landing pages, I would recommend tracking the conversion rate as a key metric, which measures the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as filling out a form or subscribing to a newsletter. For the product details page, you should be tracking things like the click-through rate or the add to cart rate, which is the percentage of visitors who add product to their cart. You can also track exit rate, average order value, and engagement time on page. For a product landing page, you can track main metrics like add to cart, click through to checkout, or other secondary goals such as requesting a code. For product sales pages, you should be tracking the main conversion rate or the purchase rate. But you can also track some secondary metrics like cart abandonment rate, which is the percentage of visitors who add products to their cart but do not complete the purchase. This metric can also help identify potential issues with the checkout process or opportunities for optimization. By tracking these KPIs, you can identify areas of your website that may be causing friction and make data-driven decisions to optimize the user experience and drive more sales. I want to tear down this page from Pip Deck and show you some of the subtle but very clever bits which are going on this page. Pip Deck offers a system which you can use to create unique stories for business meetings and workshops. Let's first look at the hero section. The hero section includes lots of product photos, but interestingly, I like the 3D render as well. I've never seen it for a product like this one before. The pricing is also very clever. The £149.99 is a digital download only, and £179.99 is a digital DEX and the vault, but the actual physical product is £199.99. By offering a mid-priced option that includes additional features, for example the vault, the brand is creating a decoy. That means the most expensive option seems more attractive. This is because the mid-price option acts as an anchor, making the most expensive option seem like a better deal in comparison. Overall, this pricing strategy is designed to encourage customers to choose the most expensive option by making it seem like the best value for money. Very smart. I like the fact that it detected my location and determines the shipping dates. I was surprised to see this message VAT number accepted at checkout. Asking for a VAT number on the page has two benefits. Firstly, it positions the brand as professional and customer-centric, catering to the businesses that need to claim expenses. This builds trust and confidence and may encourage more businesses to purchase. Secondly, it creates a sense of urgency and importance around the purchase by emphasizing the need for a VAT invoice and claiming VAT as an expense. This may make customers more likely to complete the purchase in order to claim the VAT. So, the page overall has really nice structure. The page includes benefits, brand logos, testimonials, and FAQs. One more important element which caught my attention was the pop-up which showed up. I tried the page on different browsers and could see the brand is actually running A/B tests on these pop-ups. In one of the pop-ups, the offer is actually not listed and it says want an exclusive discount. But in the other variant, they offer a 10% directly. A direct discount is a clear and tangible benefit that the customer can see and understand, which makes it more likely they will act on it. In contrast, simply asking if the customer wants an exclusive discount may feel vague or uncertain, and the customer may not be sure what they're getting or whether it's worth their time. Which one of these two tactics do you think works better? Leave a comment below. Finally, the brand also offers a 100-day refund policy, no questions asked. Customers may feel hesitant to make a purchase if they're uncertain about the value of the product. By offering a 100-day refund policy with no question asked, The brand is removing some of the perceived risk associated with making a purchase. This can make customers feel more confident and comfortable in making a purchase, knowing that they can receive a full refund if they're not satisfied with the product. The strong refund policy is all about reducing perceived risk, increasing customer confidence, and building trust and transparency with the customer. This can ultimately lead to increased sales, customer satisfaction, and brand loyalty. PipDeck have done a great job combining a product details and a sales page. Here are some of the benefits of doing this approach. It simplifies the buying process for customers, reduces cognitive load for customers, and creates a sense of urgency and immediacy across the purchase. Increases the likelihood of making a sale and creates a more immersive and engaging experience. Makes the buying process more seamless and integrated. Combining product details and sales pages can be effective for products that have a lot of visual elements, such as high quality images or videos. This can create a more immersive and engaging experience and help to increase sales. Whoa, you made it to the end. Today we covered e-commerce landing pages, their types, with a lot of really cool examples and tactics. I hope you found value in this video. Check out my complete series of landing page guides to learn more about landing pages and generating high quality leads. There's a link in the description below. Before you go, I have a surprise for you. Check out this free checklist of how you can build a really cool landing page. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, I share a lot of more content in my exclusive community. Check out conversioneers.com. In the community, you will find topics that I only share with my members, and you get a chance to ask me questions directly. I look forward to seeing you there. Till then, thank you and have a great one.